Hello everyone. So we have managed to take our discount raw data and we have cleaned it up. And the final result that we have looks like this. We have the order priority, the dispatch time, and the discount column. What we need to do now is to merge the discount table with our fact sales table. So we go back to the fact sales. Just like we had done it before, I go to merge queries and merge queries one more time. The difference is that this time we are not just matching one column, but matching a pair of columns. That means that from the sales table, we will select the order priority. I will press Control and then click on dispatch time. So you notice we get these two numbers here, 1 and 2. And in the same order, we will select in the discount table as well. So order priority, press Control and then click on dispatch time. This is 1 and 2. When we click on OK, you notice that the table has been merged. We click on the expand button. We only want to select the discount and click on OK. But if you look carefully, there is a black bar that appears here. And it tells us that in the column there are 86 empty values. But why would that happen? Let's have a look. If you look carefully, there is the 27th row that has a null value in it. The reason is that the dispatch time is 0 days. And in our mapping file, we have not defined what should happen if the dispatch happens on the very same day. So we have defined what will happen if the dispatch time is between 1 to 7 days. But if the dispatch time is 0 days, then clearly there should be no discount. But how do we do that? Here, all the nulls are equivalent to a 0 value, but we will have to do a replace. So like in Excel, we do a find and replace. Here as well, I can right click, select replace values. And we want to replace our null with a 0. In Excel, do note that a null is represented as nothing. But here in Power Query, you literally have to write NULL if you want to replace a null or a blank with a 0. We do that and you notice now we have all the discount values here, which are 0, 5, 10, 15 and 25%. In the next video, we will also see how we can calculate the profit, which would be a calculation of multiple columns.